Hey, today I want to talk about the importance of creating a healthy routine. And it is important now more than ever because we are stuck at home and it's easy to get up and get into the realm of things, getting online and checking the information of what's going on in the world. And unfortunately, this can put a lot of stress in our mind, specifically in the morning where we're not completely awake yet. So our brain waves are still quite slow, and that's where we can influence our brain quite a lot. So if we are feeding some anxiety in the early hours of the day, this could have really a ripple effect on our mood throughout the day. So it's very important to acknowledge that the first minutes, half an hour of your day are absolutely fundamental for your mental health. And honoring that and making sure that you start with a program, a recipe, something that works, rather than just allowing hazard to guide your day is fundamental. So I just want to share my morning routine. Just if you are looking for inspiration, but the fundamental part is have a morning routine. Yeah. So I have some elements in my morning routine that I do not let go of. And I start with sitting meditation. Not very long. I'm not a big meditator, but I really want to have the first 5 minutes of my day honoring that I'm not completely awake. I'm in that in between mode, and I just meditate. So I just sit down and I practice an inner body meditation. So I just check in with a part of I just do a little scan of the body, and I just feel, hey, you know what? I feel resistance here today, and I remember that yesterday this part of my body was not very happy, so let's bring it some attention. So having that just awareness of the body for about 5 minutes, I'm not going to think about anything. So that's a little trick to just get into the body. I also mindfully slow down my breathing, and I only breathe through my nose, and I do that by focusing on a longer exhale. So I'm just slowly inhaling and even having a longer, slower exhale. And I aim at about, you don't have to stick to that, but just as you train, you will get there to 5 to 6 breaths per minute. So I really slow down my breath. And so I come out of this stage in a really peaceful, centered state. And then after that, I want to look at nature. So usually it's before sunrise, so I just check the sky, I just check nature, just have this moment of just gratitude for what's out there. And that's the beauty of nature. If you have access to, a view, just check it and say, oh my God, how amazing is that? So filling your heart with some positive energy just by saying, oh, the world is happening. Maybe you see more animals than usual, whatever, just get there. Then I have my breathing session. So you can find in my bio and links 4 rounds of breathing. I do that. It's really, really incredible what it does to your nervous system. It activates me, and at the same time I come out of it completely calm. And these days I use a Shakti mat. So I lay down on these little spikes. So I activate my vagus nerve at the same time, and that I come out of it not only rested but activated, really. I, after that, have some kind of a workout. I do yoga, so I have a yoga practice. And then I have something that you can, although I really invite you to do, I dance. I have my morning playlist, and I just dance, and I sweat, and I have fun. And if my kids are around, that's a moment where I put up a show. But yeah, I'm just gonna be playful. And all this might take maybe 45 minutes to maybe an hour sometime. But in these times where we're at home and we have time, this really helps me start the day centered, happy, regardless of what's going to happen in my life, what's going to happen in my day. That's very important, that I choose the kind of energy that I want to bring in the day, rather than allowing my environment define how I will be. All right, guys, have a great day.